and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming to you with a hair tutorial, I guess, trial maybe, I don't know. So as you can see, I have started doing mini twists in my hair. This is my first time ever doing mini twists. I have done twist out before, but not mini twists as small as this. So as you can see, I've come a long way. Like, I had started my hair and then I was like, why don't I turn on the camera so you guys can see what I'm going through, right? So I started this process at like maybe 3 p.m. It is after 4:30 now, so it's almost been 2 hours and I'm at the front of my head finally. Products I am using are the Mish Beauty's Hydrating and Twisting Butter for my leave-in. And I'll let you see, you guys can see that. I don't know, the light might be like not really showing up good. I used the Moisture Miracle Coconut Oil and Bab Oil, the Hydrate and Strengthen Leave-In Cream. Ooh, and this stuff smells so good. They both smell really good. And as you can see, Mish Hydrating Twisting Butter is a really thick product. I probably didn't even need the leave-in, but I just wanted to. And to seal that all in, I'm using Africa Best Texture Jamaican Black Castor and Argan Oil. So the reason I'm using that oil, which is really not necessarily a sealant, but I've suffered some breakage around the front of my hair and thinning like right here, and that's come from me keeping my hair up in a puff all the time, so a lot of tension. So one reason why I'm doing mini twists, to give my hair some time to heal, I guess, or strengthen back up. So as you can see, I suffered some breakage here and some breakage on this side as well. So without further ado, let's jump right in and finish. Okay, so my hair is damp, of course, from the leave-in. I'm not going to put in any more water because I want this to dry and also dry a little quicker, and also like have a stretch to it. So the reason I'm turning to the side is because my mirror is off to the side here, and you can actually really see what I'm doing. I'm trying to get a really straight part, although your parting doesn't really have to be straight for this, but since I am in the front, I just want to make sure it looks neat. So I am going to take twisting butter and just take a little bit, because a little bit of this goes a long way. Make sure I saturate my ends once again and work my way up to my roots. For whatever reason, we always like focus on our ends, because true, that is the oldest part of our hair, but we always like forget our roots. Like, that's where the foundation is. We can't forget our roots. So I'm gonna take my Felicia Leatherwood brush and really make sure it's detangled. And you don't have to take tools. You can take your fingers. I know a lot of people don't believe in tools, but I'm just not that natural. I don't have the patience at all. And then I'm taking like a cheap knockoff Demon brush that I got from the beauty supply store and really working it through. And then I'm gonna take the Africa's Best Texture Oil, a couple drops of that, and work that in and make sure all that moisture is sealed, because this is a protective style, so the plan is to not have to mess with my hair for a couple of days or a week or so, maybe even 2 weeks. Hopefully I can get 2 weeks out of this. Okay, so I'm just two-strand twisting and taking small sections. I'm sorry about that toilet, y'all. I'm in my bathroom, and for whatever reason, it just runs. I don't know. I've called maintenance about it. Nobody seems to know. I don't know. I gotta get out of these apartments, y'all. ASAP. Alright, so I twist all the way down to the end, and then I I take my finger and coil it around, and there you go. Just gonna take and part a small part, and you don't have to use a cone or part. You can just use your fingers, but like I said, I wanted it a little neat, and as you can see, it's not even really that straight, and they're so small that you really won't even be able to tell that the parting is not the best. And the product, as you can see, the product is drying. It will dry, and that white residue will go away. But you will know that your hair is moisturized. And I have type 4 hair. I have like type 4, I want to say I have 4B, some 4C. I probably got a little bit of 4A. I feel like I have a little bit of 4A in the front and off to the sides. But my hair shrinks, as you can see. Like, my shrinkage is real. And for those who are new to my channel, I have been natural. It'll be 3 years this November. And the struggle is real, y'all. Alright, and here is my curl pattern in the front. I'm assuming it's like maybe 4A. I don't know. Maybe even a little bit of 3C. I'm not quite sure. If anybody out there knows, please let your girl know. I don't really care about curl typing or whatnot. I know I'm in the type 4 hair range anyway, mostly throughout my hair, so whatever. Yeah. So I'm just parting it at this point, not really trying to do like really straight parts or anything like that. Oh my god, this has definitely been a task, to say the least. Yeah, but the end results of me not having to do anything to my hair is gonna be worth it. So let's see. My shrinkage is gonna be so real, y'all. Like, I can only imagine how much more shrinkage I am gonna get. Don't look like I got mini locks or something. Alright guys, so these are my final results. Like, how cute is that? They're almost like in a bob. Here is what the back looks like. I want the front and the side. I may pin these back a little bit, or like out of my face, or you can style your mini twist and like kind of like pull them back, or like, how cute is that? First time, but I think this is gonna be a good protective style where I don't have to do anything to my hair. All right, so if you guys are interested in more videos from me, if you like what you see, please hit that like button. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will know when I post. As always, make sure you tell a friend. And yeah, I have more videos, so y'all just go and scroll the catalog. Each video is getting better. And for those who have been lurking, what you doing? Like Z Gang, we have a good time over here. Come on over here and chill. So what are you doing? And yeah, until next time, deuces.